students. Today we will learn about the nomenclature of aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acid. So aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acid, these contain carbonyl as a functional group. C double bond O group is known as carbonyl group. So we have to learn the nomenclature. There are two types of nomenclature, that is tribal name, that is common name, and IUPAC name. IUPAC name is a name which is used internationally. So let us start. Tribal or common names. So tribal or common names of aldehyde and carboxylic acid, first we will see. So tribal names of aldehydes are derived from corresponding tribal name of carboxylic acid. The name of aldehyde is given through the corresponding tribal name of carboxylic acid, that means common name of carboxylic acid. And the IC, that is carboxylic acid, IC of carboxylic acid is replaced by aldehyde. What? The IC of carboxylic acid is replaced by aldehyde, and the position of substituent is indicated by alpha, beta, gamma and so on. If we see the common names, that is tribal name of ketones, then it is based on the name of alkyl groups or aryl groups attached to the carbonyl carbon. This C double bond O carbon is known as carbonyl carbon. So the functional group or the alkyl group or aryl groups attached to this carbonyl carbon the name of the ketone is depend upon that carbonyl group. So common names, aldehyde, the common name of aldehyde is derived from the common name of carboxylic acid, and the IC of acid, carboxylic acid, is replaced by aldehyde. So that will be the common name for aldehyde. If there is carbon which is attached to that substituent which is indicated by alpha, beta and gamma, the number of carbon should not be written like 1, 2, 3. It should be mentioned by alpha, beta and gamma. Next, tribal name of ketones are based on the names of alkyl groups or aryl groups attached to the carbonyl carbon atom. So these are all the rules about the tribal or common names. Next is IUPAC name. How to write the IUPAC name of aldehyde ketones and carboxylic acid? So you have to learn that the aldehyde is the common name, that is the IUPAC name of the aldehyde is written in the format of alkanal. ये आपको learn करना पड़ेगा that कि the format of aldehyde for the IUPAC name is alkanal. How it can be written? The word alkane, the word alkan is came from alkane. If there is 2 carbon, then the alkane will be, first is methane, second will be ethane. So ethane and aldehyde group is attached, then the name will be aldehyde alkanal. How it will come? Alkane plus aldehyde. The Al of aldehyde is joined with alkane by replacing E of alkane by Al. What we are doing here? The E of alkane is replaced by Al, as it is IUPAC name for aldehyde. So the name will be alkanal. Name of the alkane by replacing ending E of alkane with oic acid, then it will be IUPAC name for carboxylic acid. IUPAC name for aldehyde is alkanal. ये फॉर्मेट आपको लर्न इसलिए करना है बिकॉज क्योंकि ये फॉर्मेट में ही आपको इसका IUPAC नेम लिखना है. सो अल्केन प्लस aldehyde, ये इसका ये नेम आया है alkanal. ये नेम कैसे आया है? तो अल्केन का E जो है ये हमने रिप्लेस किया है Al, aldehyde के Al से. This Al in IUPAC name represent that the compound is aldehyde or it contains aldehydic functional group. And for carboxylic acid, the E of Alkane, same. The E of alkane, if it is replaced by oic acid, then it will be named for that carboxylic acid, and it is fixed. In case of ketones, here all I am mentioning the IUPAC name. So ketones, format of ketone is alkanone. Right? How it will arise? So alkane plus ketone. So alkane, E of alkane is replaced by O and E. Hence the name is alkanone. So this is IUPAC name for ketones. So let us revise one. Common name and IUPAC name. So IUPAC name for aldehyde is alkanol. Carboxylic acid IUPAC name is given by the alkane in which E is replaced by oic acid. And for ketones, the format is fixed. It is alkanone. So you have to write the IUPAC names of the given compounds like aldehyde, ketone and carboxylic acid in this format like alkanol, oic acid and alkanone. In next video, we'll see some examples of aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acids, in which we'll discuss about their common names and IUPAC names, that how to write the common names, how to write the IUPAC names of the given compound. So there are some rules which already I have discussed in the previous video, but in next video we'll see about the IUPAC and common name, that is tribal name of aldehyde, ketones and carboxylic acid. Thank you.